Hi, my name is Gwendolyn and I am a part of the Digi-Bridge STEM Lab, and I have with me today Rory.
Hi,
Rory, what school do you go to?
I go to Waddell Language Academy.
Awesome! I heard Waddell has some language classes. What do you take?
I take Chinese.
Oh, that's awesome. Can you say something for us in Chinese?
你好，我是Rory，我10岁了.
That's so cool. What does that mean?
It means hi, my name's Rory and I'm 10 years old.
Fabulous. I also speak another language. Do you mind if I say hi?
Sure.
Hola, mi nombre es Gwendolyn y yo estoy hoy con Digi-Bridge, el laboratorio de STEM, y vamos a crear un BristleBot hoy. So what I said, I introduced myself, and I also said that we're going to create a BristleBot today. Rory, have you created a BristleBot before?
No.
Awesome. So we are going to follow our steps right in front of us, and there's also a set of directions in Spanish in your kit. So if you want to pull out all the items from your kit, you'll have exactly what we have in front of us, and you can build with us. All right, so the first thing we need is our toothbrush head, and it says that we're gonna need one of pieces of tape. So I'm gonna put it towards the top, and I always struggle kind of peeling this top part off. You got it?
There we go.
Awesome. It helps when you have like tiny nails, so you might need a parent maybe. Next, we're going to need this, which is going to help our BristleBot move. We're going to attach it to the top.
This way?
Yeah, you want to make sure, it kind of reminds me like of an insect in a way, you see? So you want the wires kind of going down. And we also want to detach the little caps from the end. So now we could actually see a little piece of wire. And this, Rory, is our battery, so it's going to help our bot actually move.
Cool.
All right, now that we have that, we're going to attach this piece here, and this is what's gonna help our BristleBot vibrate. And it doesn't have caps at the end. We can already see the wires, which is cool because now we can attach it and they will work together to make our vibrating motion. I think this is the hardest part for me, twisting them together. All right, there's one. Oh my gosh, mine started moving.
Oh, that's so cool.
It's kind of freaky.
Oh my goodness, that feels so weird.
I told you, it's a little freaky. So since we know that our BristleBot's working, I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating mine. So I have some fancy eyelashes on my eyeballs. Do you have some of those?
Yeah.
Oh, and I think because I have this fancy yellow foam, I'll make a tiara maybe. Beautiful, love it. All right, I'm gonna connect mine so it moves. Oh, yours keeps toppling over. Why is that happening?
I think because this is over more this side than that side.
Oh, so it's off balance? Yeah, that's okay. You know, the nice thing about this is if it doesn't work at first, you can just keep trying and trying until it finally works for you. Yay!
Oh my goodness, it's going in circles.
Let me see if I can get mine near yours. Fabulous, they look like they're dancing with each other.
My eyeball came off.
So this was kind of neat. I think we should definitely try adding something different. Like maybe make them go in a straight line.
Yeah.
So if you're at home, maybe you can use some Legos or something else that you have, and you can experiment with these however you want. Thanks for joining us. Again, my name is Gwendolyn.
My name's Rory.
And we'll see you next time at the Digi-Bridge STEM Lab.